The messaging system in Fusion, which is here or in your quick links, allows you to send new messages to mail groups. And any mail groups that you have will be visible here, and you can just select them and send the message. Mail groups are useful when you don't already have a group like a learning space with those people in it. So how do I build my mail groups? You can see that the messaging system has a tab for mail groups. If you go here, you can create your own mail group. So I'm going to create one for the senior leaders in the lower school. Give it a name, create the mail group, and here it is here. Now at the moment there's only one member because that's me, so I'm going to add the other members of the group. I go in here and I select the members of staff who are a member of that group, and I add them to the mail group, and here they are. And all the members are in the group. I now have the option to share this with everyone else in school. And I also have the options to rename or delete. So now if I create a message to mail groups, I can choose those particular people to send it to. So that's how to manage your mail groups on Fusion.